Hi, I'm Elaine, and this is my dog Sandy. Oh, did I choke you? I'm sorry. Okay, and then I also have this one right here, who is he's like half asleep. He's shy. And then that one over there, she is like the princess. Not this one. That one. She's the only girl. I have 4 dogs actually, but my other one didn't want to come out because I don't know, he's stubborn. Okay, so that's Rocco, Sandy, and right there is Penny. And then the other one's Scrappy. And I might bring him in. I don't know. Probably not because he doesn't want to come in. But anyways, so, yeah, Sandy, get up. There you go. Are you shy? Oh, see, he is shy. He doesn't want to be on here. Wait, Penny. Oh, Penny's not shy. She's like social butterfly. Are you not wanting to come? Oh, you okay? Wow, I must look pretty bad. I'm torturing my dogs on screen. Here, I'll show you what Sandy likes to do. He likes to play ball. He's obsessed. Sandy! See? He came right to it. Okay. Oh, watch out, Rocco. Sandy. Wait, Sandy! I lost you! See, I'm terrible at this sort of thing. Can you see him? You can see up my nostrils. Isn't that attractive? Oh, hey, look at my necklace. Family Force 5. Okay. There you go. Sandy, bring the ball. Sandy, say bye. Bye. Sandy. Bye, Penny. Oh, Rocco, you don't want to do a sign off with me later? Bye.